Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What an afternoon of nonsense going on with the markets. We've got Roaring Kitty creating havoc with GameStop, destroying businesses. We've got oh, hello, new member.
Team Fusion has become a member.
Team Fusion, thank you. I'll welcome you in a second. Just give me a moment. We've got Wall Street with technical issues, people trying to buy Berkshire. I call them the Berkshire Berks. Trying to buy, I don't know. I just can't take it seriously anymore. Everything's gone nuts. So, yeah, people trying to buy Berkshire for $180. Of course, it's not going to happen. It won't go through. But you give it a good go. You never know. Henrik is here from Denmark. How are you, Henrik? Henrik, lovely to have you here. Lovely to see you. How is Denmark today? How's my little mermaid doing on the harbour wall there? How is she today? I visited her a couple of times. Anyway, it's all good. It's all good. We'll hopefully be green shortly. We've had that nonsense when the market sold off this morning. With all that craziness, I didn't sell, of course. I didn't sell. It all starts to come back again now. And it didn't go low enough for me to buy more. I can't afford any more anyway. So I've got 19 days before I get paid again. So I've got to hold my horses now, have patience, let my businesses, because it's my businesses, right? Your businesses too, that you own. Let them earn some money and let things grow, which is exactly what they'll be doing right now. Anyway, hi, Martin. Please, can you comment on ASTI Supply Partners? ASTI Supply Partners, what exactly do you want me to, what is that? What exactly is the question? I can put your question, well, I say I can, I can't, because it's a members only, but in a couple of weeks' time, I've got Paul Worley, the CEO of ASTI, here in the studio with me, and I can ask any question you like, but it is members only to keep the amount of questions down. So I can put any question to him. Maybe it's worth you becoming a member, so a couple of bucks, and you can ask the question. But anyway, Team Fusion. Let's have a look. Is Team Fusion in the chat? Not at the moment. If Team Fusion comes in, because someone let me know, or Team Fusion yourself, let me know. I'd love to speak to you. We've got a silver member just join, and that means they can go on the homepage of the YouTube channel, and I can get everyone to subscribe to their channel or what have you. Alrighty. So I'm not sure I know what you mean, William. Good evening, Martin. Craig, how are you, mate? Chris Schultz, my stock has been pounded into oblivion this month, and again today. At least I know what to expect. Martin, quick glance, IBRX train wreck. Oh no, not again. Hey, listen, mate. I mean, we've got such nonsense here. Look at this. This was the moment Roaring Kitty put out a post, and then it got dumped straight back down. All these poor people who bought up here. There's so much manipulation in the markets today. I'm not so sure Robinhood app was a good thing. You know, people aren't investing anymore. They're just gambling and trying to break the system. They won't ever work, but a lot of people are going to lose all their money and a lot more angry people. Yeah, down 5%. ImmunityBio. Wow, this is what happens with biopharmaceuticals. Remember I told you, this is a very, very risky sector that you've gone into. It's very, very hard to make money. I mean, you can make huge amounts of money very quickly, but the moment things go against them, it all collapses very, very quickly. What is the short position at the moment? IBRX, IBRX. Let's have a look. That's IBRX. Let's ask our AI. Let's have a look. Let's ask. What is the short position? Okay, let's ask our AI. Look, it's a new service that we're providing now. This is just getting even better. This really is the best software in the world for stocks. There's no question about it. Let's have a look. This is what it says.
I currently do not have direct access to specific short position data for stocks. However, short position data can usually be provided by financial news websites, market analysis tools, or directly from a brokerage platform. This data generally includes the number of shares that have been sold short but not yet covered or closed out. It gives you an idea of the market sentiment towards a stock. Is there any other way I might assist you regarding ImmunityBio Inc. or any other investment information?
Yeah, what are the risks and challenges of this stock? What are the risks and challenges? Let's have a look. These are the risks and challenges with IBRX. As we look at the markets, we'll have a little listen. It'll bring it. It'll play it for me in a second. All right, let's have a look. IBRX. These are the challenges we've got right now. IBRX. Whoops, a daisy. IBRX. These are the challenges we are facing today. It'll deliver that in a second. Just bear with me. Hi, Craig. Jay, how you doing? We are doing so fine. Nice weather, and I was out salmon fishing. Beautiful, wonderful. Oh,
ImmunityBio Inc.
Here we go.
IBRX, a clinical stage biotechnology company, faces several risks and challenges that are common in its sector, as well as some that are specific to its operations. Here are key areas of concern. 1. Clinical trials risk. As with any biopharmaceutical company, ImmunityBio faces significant risks associated with the outcome of clinical trials. The success of its products depends heavily on favorable clinical data demonstrating safety and efficacy. Any failures or inconclusive results can lead to delays, increased costs, and could impact the company's valuation and ability to secure funding. 2. Regulatory approvals.
Yep.
Obtaining approval from regulatory bodies such as the FDA in the USA or EMA in Europe is a prolonged and uncertain process. Delays in approvals or failure to receive approvals can significantly affect the company's business prospects and financial health. 3. Financial risk. As a clinical stage company, ImmunityBio is likely not generating significant revenue from product sales and may rely on the capital markets to fund its operations. Fluctuations in its financial condition, stock price, and ability to raise additional capital could pose substantial risks. 4. Intellectual property risks. The ability of ImmunityBio to defend its intellectual property or its infringement on the intellectual property rights of others could impact its competitive position and operating results. 5. Market competition. The biotech industry is highly competitive and rapidly changing. ImmunityBio competes with other firms that may have greater financial resources, operational experience, and established products in the market. 6. Technological changes and innovation. The pace of technological innovation in biotechnology is rapid. ImmunityBio needs to continue to innovate and develop new offerings to stay competitive. Any lag in keeping up with technological advances could pose a risk to its business model. Number 7. Operational and management changes. Effective management is crucial for the success of clinical stage companies. Any significant changes in the leadership team or operational mishaps could impact the company's progress and market trust. Understanding and mitigating these risks are crucial for stakeholders and potential investors when making decisions about their involvement with ImmunityBio Inc.
There you go. Fantastic. Now then, let me think for a moment. What is our number one stock at the moment? FFIE, isn't it? The one that's getting most views. Let me have a look. Rallo, is it Rallo 1? Let me just check. No, Wadey. Are you here, Wadey? I've done both of your reviews. Wadey? No, it's not here. Is Jason Davis here? Jason Davis? No. Is Mustafa? No. What about Vincent Vosberg? No. Oops, that's easy. Spell that right. No. Okay. Never mind. Okay, what I want to do then is we've got some more reviews coming out tonight. They're just about to publish. FFIE. Okay. FFIE. Let me go over here. FFIE. I've got some questions here you asked. FFIE, Faraday. Right. Okay. Okay, let's see if this works. So we'll do this at 15. FFIE 15. Okay. Let's have a look. Okay. Here we go. FFIE, Faraday Future, Intelligent Electric. I've had lots of comments below the videos on the previous FFIE videos, and we're going to use our latest software. This software I use all the time to help me analyze stocks, but now we're using it in a new creative way, I think, intuitive way that I think it's going to provide some entertainment and also some insights into a different way of looking at stocks. So some of your questions here that you commented below my videos, I'm going to use AI to answer those questions. Let's have a look. One of the questions I was asked, what are the unique competitive advantages of Faraday Future? And what does it hold over its rivals? So let's have a listen into this as we look at the stock, and I'll go through a few numbers for you, and we're going to ask this question. All right, and hopefully we're going to answer it for you, and AI is going to read it out for you as well. So as we go through this software, and all of my members can get access to this, all of the non-members can as well, but my members get a lifetime discount, which basically makes it free, makes my membership for free. Okay, so as we wait for the AI to calculate our first question, let's have a look at the numbers. And as we scroll down, the AI will start to answer, and then I'll be able to ask it another
Faraday
question.
Future Intelligent Electric Inc., FFIE, operating in the competitive electric vehicle EV sector, holds several potential competitive advantages over its rivals. 1. Technological innovation. Faraday Future has made significant investments in developing cutting-edge technologies for its vehicles, including proprietary software and hardware systems. Their vehicles boast advanced features such as ultra-fast charging capabilities, high-performance batteries, and unique powertrain technologies. 2. Product differentiation. Faraday Future's focus on luxury and high-performance electric vehicles, exemplified by their flagship model, FF91, sets them apart from other EV manufacturers who might be focusing more on mass-market models. The FF91 is marketed with features like record-breaking acceleration and very high top speeds, along with luxury interior features that include AI and advanced internet connectivity. 3. Modular platform strategy. The company employs a variable platform architecture, VPA, which is a modular approach that enables the scaling of production across various types of vehicles using the same underlying platform. This can potentially reduce costs, increase manufacturing efficiency, and shorten the time to market for new models. 4. Strategic partnerships. Faraday Future has established partnerships with several key suppliers and technology firms. These collaborations can help in reducing research and development costs, leveraging external expertise, and potentially speeding up technological advancements. 5. Focus on user experience. Faraday Future emphasizes a seamless and luxurious user experience, integrating advanced user interface technologies such as multiple internet-connected screens and premium comfort features. This focus can strongly appeal to tech-savvy consumers and early adopters in the luxury segments. Number 6. Global supply chain and production. Although faced with challenges, the company's approach to establishing a global supply chain and production strategy, including plans for U.S.-based manufacturing facilities, could serve as an advantage in terms of logistics and market penetration once fully operational. It's important to consider that while these potential advantages could position Faraday Future favorably within the EV market, the company also faces significant challenges, including financial stability, achieving production scale, and delivering on its planned technological innovations. These factors have to be carefully evaluated when considering the competitiveness and sustainable success of Faraday Future in the long term.
There you go. There's the first question. Let's ask it now if the business is likely to go bust. Let's have a quick look at that. So let's ask that question now. If you want this software, by the way, I think it's the best software that you can use. And as I say, you can use it for free. All my members can get a premium plan, which basically makes my membership for free. The link is below in the description, and I'll give it you above my head. martynlucas.com. Click above my head, find the All Links button, and scroll down to Alpha Spread, and you will see it. Nowhere else gives you technology like this all in one place. I use it for all my analysis. So let's ask it, will the company go bust? Or we'll call it bankrupt. I think that's probably the best way. Do you think it's going to go bankrupt? We believe it will, because there's no value here at all. Let's see how it answers this. And we'll have a listen in. It'll take a few seconds to generate the answer. And when it's done so, I will ask it to read it out. It's an interesting way of getting an opinion on the stock. I think you'll agree, and this technology is getting better and better all the time. So let's load that up. It'll take a couple of seconds, and as we are waiting for AI to give us the answer, I will show you the inside trading, who's been buying and selling.
Predicting bankruptcy with certainty for any company, including Faraday Future Intelligent Electric Inc., FIE, can be difficult without a deep current analysis of its financial health and market conditions. However, three main aspects typically assessed when evaluating the risk of bankruptcy are: 1. Financial statements analysis. Reviewing the company's latest balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements would provide insights into its ability to meet short-term liabilities, manage debt levels, and generate cash. 2. Ratio analysis. Solvency ratios like the debt-to-equity ratio, interest coverage ratio, and liquidity ratios, quick ratio and current ratio, are crucial in assessing the financial stability of a company. High leverage or poor liquidity can raise red flags regarding bankruptcy risk. 3. Market and operational assessment. External factors such as market competition, regulatory impacts, and changes in consumer preferences also play significant roles. Additionally, operational performance, including sales growth and operational efficiency, needs consideration. To provide a more detailed evaluation of Faraday Future's risk of bankruptcy, I could look up their latest financial ratios and other relevant data if you're interested. Would you like me to do that?
That's very good. Yes, I would. Let's see what happens. I've just asked it to provide me with that information, the actual numbers, and oh, here we go. Ah, fantastic. Okay, so here we go. Now we're going to get more of the details of the numbers, the chances of bankruptcy, current ratios. This is very interesting. So here we go. It's now going to present us with all the numbers. Fantastic. This is really great. Just bear with me. It takes a few seconds for it to generate this, and then I will let it read it out. That's incredible. Some really good numbers here just coming up. It'll read it out, and I'll also share it on the screen. Here we go. It'll take a few seconds for it to load up, but we're going to get there now. Let's have a look at this. So if you are buying this stock, we think it's going to go bankrupt. But if you are buying it, here are the numbers that you can decide whether it's a viable proposition or not, okay? It'll take a few seconds for it to calculate this.
Here are some key financial metrics and their recent values
Here
for
we go.
Faraday Future Intelligent Electric Inc., FFIE, that can help in assessing its bankruptcy risk. Solvency ratios. 1. Debt-to-equity, DE ratio, 0.39, 3-year median, 0.15, 3-year average, 0.12. 2. Debt-to-asset DA ratio, current, 0.55, 3-year median, 0.48, 3-year average, 0.57. 3. Interest coverage ratio, current, 9:4.99, and with 3-year median, net of 49.75, 3-year average, 67.88. 4. Altman Z-score, current, 7.81, 3-year median, 103.02, 3-year average, 467.78. 5. Quick ratio, current, 0.04, 3-year median, 3-year average, or 0.56. 6. Current ratio, current 0.67, 3-year median 0.7, 3-year average, and 0.84. 7. Cash ratio, current 0.24, 3-year median 0.13, 3-year average 0.56. Half balance sheet items, total liabilities $317,124, total assets $579,527, total equity $261,833. Analysis. The low quick and cash ratios, 0.4, indicate very limited liquidity, which could present significant risk in the short term, particularly in covering immediate obligations without raising additional capital. The interest coverage ratio is deeply negative, 9 is 214.99, suggesting the company struggles significantly to cover interest expenses with its earnings, a strong indicator of financial distress. An Altman Z-score of -7.81 is alarming because scores below 1.8 typically suggest a high risk of bankruptcy. This score is particularly concerning and points to a severe risk of financial failure. While the DE ratio has increased recently, it is not excessively high, but given the other surrounding negative indicators, it still presents a concern. Given these figures, Faraday Future appears to be under substantial financial stress, with several indicators pointing towards a higher risk of bankruptcy unless there are significant improvements in its financial health or successful capital raising efforts. This assessment is based only on quantitative factors. Strategic, market, or operational advancements can still potentially offset these risks.
So there you go. It was the first time we've ever done this using the AI as part of our software. It's Alpha Spread. We have a very special deal here with the company. We're the only ones in the world who have this, where I'm able to bring you this really good deal. So as I said before, everyone can get access to this for free. If you want to review every single company that's public, you can. You might need a premium service, and if you do, my members can get a lifetime discount, which makes it for free. You can see all my reviews here. They also put all my reviews on their homepage as well, which is fantastic. Really, really great. I love all of this. I think this is absolutely fantastic. So there's a little bit of a look at FFIE today. So I'm going to give you all those links now. If you're interested in trying this, click above my head for martynlucas.com. It will take you to my website. This is what you see when you get there. You see this. It says here, all links below. There's my newsletter if you want the newsletter. Scroll down, you see all the different links, and you'll see Alpha Spread comes up here. And that's what you're looking for, the Alpha Spread link. There it is, Alpha Spread. We have our very own page on the website. There you go. There's all the Lucasades, and you can get a coupon code here, which basically gives you my membership for free at the discount that you get there. All right, that's where that is. Also down below in the description, you'll find it as well. So there you go, a bit of information there. If you have any comments, questions that you want me to research, also using software like this, let me know in the comments below. We can review all stocks. We've done 200 reviews now. I'll share with you this link here, and you can see all the companies that I've reviewed. This is my website. If I go over to here and we scroll down, you'll see one of my playlists here. It's called Alpha Spread Stock Review with me. And if you click on that, you can see there, look, all the reviews that I have done. And looking at it, it's 148 videos, 3,400 views updated 3 days ago. And we've got Novavax, ETORO, Navitas, Worksport, Uranium, Textron, New Gen IF, WidePoint, Raytheon, Mobix, Enovix, Synergen, Vuzix. The list goes on and on. PacBio, Rivian, Soundtown, SMX, Luminar. All of these are on the list here, and they've all had a full review like this. So if you like any of those, then that's how you can find that as well. That's below. That is also below in the description of this video, and I'll also put my full playlist over here. So up here for all the links, martynlucas.com. Down below in the description for Alpha Spread, and all the links will be here. And over here, I should put Alpha Spread. And down here, I'll put another playlist. It's Sensei's got a brand new playlist now of how he's reviewing stocks with charts. So you've got my analysis up here for fundamentals and AI, and you've got Sensei's charts down here for the same stocks, but with chart analysis, technical stuff. That's down here. Sensei's, I can't remember the name of the playlist now, but it's Sensei's something or other. I forget the name of it now, but anyway, I've just set it up yesterday, so it's pretty new. So go and check that out. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, just a little bit of experiment there. Can you go over IMMR? I can. Time will tell. It's a membership perk, though, I'm afraid. I do reviews and analysis and earnings reports for our members. I have to focus on the members' questions. If no one's got any questions, I can come back to you. Please repeat it at the end. But I have to focus now on the members. AI is worse than me reading numbers. Brian Bynum. It's not reading the numbers well. Yeah, I mean, you have to look at the numbers at the same time. Obviously, if it's reading the numbers out, the technology is going to keep growing and getting better. But you obviously want to read it yourself at the same time. I agree with you. So now everyone can blame IA and not Martin for saying FI is going bust. Jay Long, that's right. Were the AI numbers correct or just read wrong? Were the AI numbers correct or just read wrong? I'd need to go back and check now. I wasn't paying the attention at the time, but you can check it on the analysis, so you can see if the numbers are right or not. I still think Sensei's Dojo is the best name. Sensei's Dojo. What was the name of the playlist? Let me go and have a look. I can't remember now. Sensei's Dojo. What did we call it? It's called Sensei, the Chart Oracle of Investor Street. There you go. That's what we called the playlist. The Chart Oracle, Sensei, the Chart Oracle of Sensei of Investor Street. That was it. I remember now. I don't remember. I just read it. Anyway, Sensei's Cash in the Attic. That's right. That's the Sunday show, definitely. But he's got to have his own playlist, right? The purpose of the playlist is something that's searchable as well. It has to include words that you might search, even if you want to have a bit of fun with it. You can't just be all out fun and games. It has to make some sort of sense. Anyway, let's see where GME ended up today with 28 minutes to go. Yeah, completely going all the way back down again. Anyway, awful stuff, isn't it? The Oracle of Oh My Gosh. Hello, Stacy, says Chris. Yeah, that would be good as well, wouldn't it? Anyway, now then, you may have missed, I don't know, we should be green in a minute. We had this was the moment this morning when Wall Street went a bit doolally and people were selling off the market, didn't want to be involved because of nothing really, but people don't want to be hanging around if there's technical issues. We had the GameStop crisis this morning. Well, I say crisis, the drama, all the silliness of it all. And the markets went down and they're just coming straight back up again. I didn't buy, I didn't sell, obviously, and I wouldn't be surprised if we turn green and back up where we started from in a minute. It's been a bit of a silly couple of days. We had Donald Trump the other day crash the market on Friday. That was just a big sell-off for no reason. That all came back. And now we've had a technical issue in GameStop. That's all sold off and coming back. It's just all nonsense. For those that invest, all this to you is just silliness and no one's interested in it. A dojo is where a sensei teaches his craft. I like it. A dojo is where sensei teaches his craft. I like it. I like all these suggestions. Really good. Right, so you may have missed a couple of videos this afternoon. So let me refresh the screen. I just put out 3. Yeah, 3. And I've got 2 main reviews coming out tonight as well for my viewers. I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reviews in the last 24 couple of days, actually, since Friday. So there's more coming up tomorrow. We've just put out Ascent Solar. AI predicts, that's just come out. Berkshire Berks, all the Berkshire Berks who thought they could buy a Berkshire Hathaway for nothing and then wonder why it didn't go through. He pumped, you got dumped on. That was this morning. Mr. I'm a Wall Street banker, but I wear a hat just to look like you, and then I stuff you, and even though I never wear a baseball cap. Anyway, it's all bloody nonsense. All absolute bloody nonsense. Now, this morning, if you didn't catch this morning's show, 5 o'clock this morning, we put this out. The chart for Virgin Galactic, the Root Coin Network analysis, and the Nikola chart. This went out at... I was editing this at 5 o'clock this morning. Hence why I'm tired. Maybe I'm really desperately need a holiday, but yeah, I'm starting to think I'm doing too much. It's getting a bit silly now. What's going on? I'm already going to go green. I'm so confident that we're going to be green in a minute. There you go. I'm already going to be green because all this nonsense will stop. People don't want to be sitting around investing and messing around too long. They want to start making money again. So I wouldn't be surprised. I'm going to say we're going to go green before the bell goes. I said it this morning. It's a green day. And all this was just nothingness. And it's coming straight back up again. Anyway. So a few videos you may have missed. Okay. I'll put out those videos. Sorry, the oxygen and fuel cell, they're premiering tonight. But that's coming after the show tonight. I want to thank everybody. We're very close to 26,000 now. It's nearly 1,000 a week, which is nice, isn't it? Some weeks it's slightly more. Some weeks it's just under. But it's really good, isn't it? Anyway, right, where are we? Let's go for all the... Have we got any links for YouTube? Does anyone need upgrading on Discord this afternoon? I don't see any messages from anyone that needs to be. So nothing specific there. Anyone need any reviews done that I don't have in the queue? I don't see that. Tomorrow will be Ockup, Awesome Tech, Farmer Awesome Tech. Not sure who that's for. Philip Morris wants international, wants Altria versus Philip Morris. A good day all in all. Last trade paper cut, says Ed Nevius. How's it been going today, Ed? Trade's been okay. Virgin Galactic, 90 cents. Enphase. Ah, yes. Links for YouTube. Enphase. Thank you very much indeed. What have we got here? Global. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, very nice. ENPH. Enphase Energy. All right, let's do that then. So ENPH at end. Okay. Good afternoon. Hit 3 out of 4. Last one. Last one boring. Okay. Congratulations to you. Enphase Energy. Let's do this then. Okay. Let's do this. Enphase Energy. ENPH. ENPH. Enphase. Let's have a little look. Okay, so here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, Enphase Energy, ticker symbol ENPH. We have some news for you, and we also have a special guest on the show today. We need to come up with a name. What's the name of our Alpha Spread AI bot who gives me some wonderful insights into stocks? So we want to find out, is the stock overvalued? As I bring out this news for you, I've got some news I want to share with you. So this is our software that we're using, Alpha Spread. Everyone can get a copy of this. Here shows you all the balance sheets and all the numbers and the margins, everything all in one place. Solvency score 68, profitability score 71, Wall Street targets, competition, you name it. But also I can ask it your questions as well, and reviewing the data, it will answer your questions. So we want to find out, is it undervalued or overvalued? What do you think? Is this
Based on the latest financial
too expensive?
Data, Enphase Energy Inc., ticker ENPH, exchange XNACE, is considered undervalued by 12%. The intrinsic value of the stock is calculated to be $146.28, while the current price is $128.47. This suggests that the stock has potential upside based on value investing principles.
Okay, fair enough. But at the end of the day, we want to look at the news and we want to see what's going on. Well, here is the latest news. And if you want this software, by the way, that I use, which is by far the most advanced software out there, I'll give you a link to it. It's below in the description and above my head, martynlucas.com. It's free for everyone, but if you are a premium, want the premium plan, the way I use it, then you can get a discount, and you basically, my membership as a member here will give you basically make my membership for free. It's that good a deal. Okay, I always offer the best deal to my members. This is the news we've just had out now. Enphase Energy launches IQ Battery 5P in Canada. Fremont, California, June the 3rd, 2024. Enphase Energy, a global energy technology company and the world's leading supplier of microinverter-based solar and battery systems, announced today that it has started shipping to most powerful battery to date, the IQ Battery 5P in Canada. The IQ Battery 5P is a modular design with 5 kilowatts capacity and can be paired with the new IQ8 microinverter to provide homeowners reliable electricity to use whenever they need it. The new Enphase Energy system with the IQ Battery 5P enables configurations ranging from 5 to 80 kilowatt hours and offers a significantly improved experience for homeowners and installers because of more power, resilient wired communication, and an improved commissioning experience. Homeowners can also use the Enphase app to monitor and intelligently manage their battery systems, including the self-consumption feature to help minimize the use of electricity from the grid. Reliability and safety are two key criteria homeowners evaluate when choosing a home energy system, says Philip McNee, founder of Future Solar and Electric, and installer of Enphase products in Canada. The Enphase Energy systems, equipped with the IQ Battery 5P, expertly crafted to deliver the utmost reliability, safety, and performance so homeowners can harness the power of the sun to power their lives. The third generation Enphase Energy systems in Canada also include IQ8 microinverters, which are designed to help maximize energy production and can manage a continuous DC current of 14 amperes to support high-powered solar modules through increased energy harvesting. The IQ8 series microinverters includes IQ8HC, which features a peak output AC power of 384 watts and is designed to seamlessly pair with a full range of solar modules up to 540 watts DC. A complete Enphase energy system includes the IQ Gateway, which should always be connected to the internet to enable over-the-air updates and connect to the Enphase app monitoring platform. In addition, Enphase offers 24/7 customer support and industry-leading limited warranties for both solar and battery products. This includes a 25-year limited warranty for all IQ8 microinverters and a 15-year warranty for all IQ batteries activated in Canada. Very nice indeed. All very, very good news. What else have we got here? With Enphase's technology, we can help homeowners switch to renewable, uninterrupted electricity, said Stephen Vezina, owner of Treetop Solar, an installer of Enphase products in Canada. Enphase's modular battery design makes it a versatile product to outfit a variety of solar systems. Our expansion into the Canadian market with the IQ Battery 5P is another important milestone for Enphase. As we continue to grow our footprint across the globe, said Martyn Lucas, Vice President of Sales at Enphase Energy. I apologize for the mispronunciation. Our latest battery technology is designed to deliver maximum power and energy efficiency during that Canadian households have access to clean, renewable energy whenever they need it. Enphase expects to introduce more sophisticated energy management software for its solar plus battery systems in 2024. As Canada continues the rapid shift towards electrification with electric vehicles, heat pumps, and more. The Enphase Energy System software can help manage this complexity by leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning to forecast the optimize home energy needs. There you go. What do you make of that? Some latest news today here on Enphase Energy. I want to thank John Grant for sending that in. If you are one of the members of my channel and you become a member, you can access Discord, send links in like this for stocks that you want me to report on. Not only do you get the information out there that you want to hear, but also we rank for the stock. We often rank number 1 or 2 for the ticker symbol ENPHSTOC, Enphase stock, in other words. And we can get the word out there. Remember, I'm not here to pump and dump the stock. I only own the S&P, and I'm just here to provide the facts and the numbers so you can make your decisions of what you should buy or not buy. So, John, thank you for that. If you enjoyed the software that I was using and perhaps you'd like to know more about this, ask AI any questions you want, or perhaps you want to look at who's buying on the inside, who's selling on the inside, what the balance sheet looks like, the margins, the solvency score, the profitability score, all of these things, inside trading, short positions, competition. Look at this, look, insiders have been selling recently. That was March the 15th, 2024, $544,000 worth of stock. But that's not that big. That's not going to make huge amounts of difference, but it's always good to know who's selling, what's going on. And so the short position, which is currently 11.82%. If you're interested and you want to also find out the latest news around the stock, sentiment, how's it changed? Well, the last 90 days, 46% good. Then it went down to 28% good. Last 7 days, 20% good. And now it's 12% good. All neutral though. Nothing bad to say about it. Then if you want any of that information, click above my head, martynlucas.com. Take you to my website and you'll find the Alpha Spread link. Down below in the description, you'll also find it as well. Now, also what I'm going to do is every Sunday, Sensei does a Sunday show. Sensei Sunday show, kind of makes sense. And he will do the technical charts for you. The buy zone, the sell zone, where it's a good place to buy the stock, where it's a good place to sell the stock, the level, supports, resistance, all of that. And if you're a member of our channel, you can ask him to do a chart specifically for you on the Sunday show. Link below is there as well. All right, so above my head for all the links, down below in the description, and over here and over here. Up here, I will put all of my Alpha Spread reviews that I've done using the software. And down here, I will put Sensei's charts as well. He does a much more technical style of approach. You might want to go and check that out as well. All right, until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, thank you ever so much, John Granfor. Robbed and scammed by Alex, owner of Handcash. Handcash is a scam. What's going on there? I didn't get scammed. I got all my money out of it. I didn't have any problem with it. I don't use Handcash anymore. I don't like it. I don't use the BSV thing or anything like that. I'm not interested in any of that. But I got all my money out of it. I didn't have any problem. What's happened, knee grower? Has it all gone away? If people start buying Enphase stock because of your good review and the price rises, your portfolio gains since Enphase is in the S&P 500. So you can benefit from pump and dump because you indirectly own. That's ridiculous. That is absolutely ridiculous. And that shows your lack of understanding, I'm afraid. Again, always comes from the non-members who just come in to talk rubbish. Right, let's be absolutely clear. First of all, I don't know if Enphase is currently on the S&P 500. It may be. I don't know if it is. If you say it is, I could check and find out. But if you say it is, I believe you. However, Enphase, I'm absolutely confident, without any doubt, if it is on the S&P 500, it would be somewhere in the region of maybe 0.1% of allocation, because it's not in the top 10. So I know that if it is on the S&P, and I'm going to assume that you're right, it is, it would only be 0.1, I would imagine, of the allocation. And if it quadrupled and went up tenfold, it would make no difference whatsoever to the S&P 500. It wouldn't even move. So to say that I'm pumping Enphase to pump the S&P 500 and some way I benefit from that is about the most ridiculous comment I have ever heard when it comes to understanding how the stock market works. I have never in my life heard of something more ridiculous than that. Absolutely ridiculous. That couldn't be, you couldn't be demonstrating more that you've no idea how the market works. That's absolutely ridiculous. Jason Davis, I've got your video. Did you see it? Novavax, your video is out for you. Here it is. If you scroll down below the channel, Novavax, there it is. There's your video 2 days ago, just gone out. Novavax. Should you wish to promote it, should you wish to get it to rank and promote it with YouTube, you can if you want. No obligation whatsoever, of course. You click the you do what's called a super thanks. It's not a super chat, it's a comment below the video. I think you can do it for $2 and it will I will highlight your comment. If there's something that you want to see or say or promote, I will you can post a link and I will pin it to the top as a thank you. So everyone who watches the video will see your comment at the top. I always pin the super thanks to the top. And also, because YouTube make a bit of a commission on that, they, of course, promote the video out. There's no evidence to say they do, but it's most people on YouTube think they probably do because they make money on it. So if it's a popular video, why not suggest it out to more people? It kind of makes sense. Anyway, I said the portfolio would turn green today. I've turned the lights green because all of this today, all of this nonsense going down here, all of this was the market technical issue this morning with Berkshire. All of this was the GameStop rubbish. All of it was irrelevant, not real, total nonsense. Drove the market down, people dumped, didn't want to be involved, and I don't sell because there's no point, and it's coming straight back up where it started. So there we go. I said it's going to be green. Let's see if it goes green. I've got $13 to go to turn it green. Let's see what happens. Right, good afternoon. Hi, Jason. Hey, John. So I can now take Jason Davis off the list. Wadey, are you here? Your 2 reviews are done. I've done both of your reviews. Wadey, are you here? Nope. Is Mustafa Abdin here? Vincent Vosberg here? No, they're not here. Okay, I want to make sure everyone is aware that I've done their reviews. Starting to think he's shorting FFIE. I don't short any stocks, never have, never will. Absolutely 100%. There you go. It's turning green. I told you it would. All of that this morning was absolutely bonkers, nonsense, rubbish, and the markets have just turned green. Fantastic. So here we go. Into the close. Absolute nonsense this morning. On CNBC, they were talking about GameStop and that flipping that silly cat on YouTube. So annoying. Such a waste of time. Martin pumping and dumping. I know, Vaz. Can you believe it? This is the sort of idiots you get who come in here who try to talk. I mean, literally. He said here, if people start buying Enphase stock because of your good review and the price rises, your portfolio gains since the S&P goes. I mean, have you ever heard anything ridiculous? I mean, Warren Buffett wouldn't benefit from this, let alone me with 25,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh, unbelievable. You just line them up and knock them down. Absolutely brilliant. Anyway, good afternoon, everyone. I'm now in your state of Texas. Martin, on the way to Starbase. You should just buy a house there, mate. You should just live there. I tell you that, mate. I tell you that. You should absolutely live at the base. You're always there. There you go. It's very green as well. It's going up quite quickly. I watched it live, thanks. That's fine. That's fine. But the video is obviously the video. That's what ranks by watching that. Asti, CEO, still on schedule to be your guest. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. They'll be live on my show very, very shortly. Very excited for that. Yep. If you go on the homepage of the channel, nothing has changed. Here is the Asti video. So upcoming live streams. If you click here, you can see there Ascent Solar. They'll be live on my show on June the 21st. Absolutely great. Absolutely great. Very, very, very excited about that. Couldn't be better. Now then, when the bell rings, I've got an announcement to make for quality of service for everybody. Asti CEO, yes, Sensei pumping and dumping Bitcoin. Yeah. Asti CEO going to be your guest this week. I've just shown you the date. You can go and click on it now. Click reminder. It's right there. Novavax up 20% today. Very nice indeed. I put a good review about that. Caden Youngquist. Can you review HIMS? Can I review HIMS? So, absolutely I can. Caden Youngquist. Let's put it there on the list. So $5. It's about 4 down the list. So HIMS. Caden, absolutely right. Caden Youngquist. Yeah. Let me just make sure I know which one it is. I always like the name of GameStop going all the way down to rubbish now. It's always rubbish. My portfolio again rising exactly as we expected. Another predictable day. HIMS. Hims and Hers Health. Is this the one? I just want to be sure. I just want to be sure that this is the one. Let me copy that name down. Can you just confirm that it is the correct one? Caden, and it's lovely to have you here, by the way. Our young investor. I believe he's about, you must, what, are you 18 now? I know you were 17 when you started here. Are you 18 now? Caden? Hang on a minute. There's a bit, Caden, we've got a bit of an issue. Caden. I'm terribly, terribly sorry. And I've got to do this. I'm terribly, terribly sorry. I've got to do it because if I break the rules for you, I got to break it for everyone. And we have a very, very specific rule. As you can see, I've got nearly 26,000 subscribers now. And if I break this rule, it'll be chaos and everything will break down, okay? I can only do reviews for members. You can be a member, I think, for like $2. I know you've given me a super chat and I really appreciate it, but the rule is it's only for members. Even if you gave me $1 million, it's you super chat, but you have to be a member. Because if I do it for everybody, if I do it for you, I've got to do it for everybody. And I'd love to, I just can't do that, I'm afraid. Now, you might win a membership if someone donates memberships, because looking in the chat, everyone's a member. So if someone donates a membership, the chances are you'll win one. But I just can't do it. I gotta keep the rules. Otherwise, somebody else will say, well, I gave you a super chat and I wasn't a member, and it will be absolutely chaos. So I hope you can understand that. I hope you might just go, oh, sod it, I'll become a member. It's only a couple of bucks. Anyway, Ed Nevius, Ed, did you realize that you can chat in the extra channel? It's 99 cents to be a member, and then you can chat. I heard earlier you say you can't chat. It's because you're not a member. It's literally 99 cents. Anyway. Vaz, you'd like a video on credit? Yeah, absolutely. I would be more than happy to make a video for you. Vaz, $5. Let me write that down. Once I can do that, and I can show you my credit and everything. Once a credit score video. That's a great idea. You're a member and you've super chatted me, so I'm more than happy to do that. Absolutely, more than happy to do that. Okay. I missed the bell. I'm so sorry I missed the bell. Sorry about that. One day I will. Yes. Aping into small games or AMC position for all for the culture. All for the culture of what? The culture of rubbishness. Why would you want to own GameStop? I don't know. We're not doing this anymore. I said to Leah, this is not what I want the show to be at all. I'm not interested in it. There are channels that just spend all day talking about crap. I did not go all the way in my education and build this channel to spend my time talking about rubbish for people who just want to talk rubbish. I haven't got the interest anymore in it. Martin, can you do a live from Starbucks? Mark, yes, Mark, do it. Coin to the show. Bought Bonk and Jasmine coin on May 14th. Good luck, Liam. Got my seed money out and paid myself profits. Congratulations. Remember the tax bill. DJE trading considering DJE trade considering removing Keith Gill from trading platform. Sources says no surprise. The guy's a complete arsehole. And I'm really angry with it because I don't like people running around manipulating people. It's horrible. It's the most disgusting human behavior I've ever seen, witnessed. It's just absolutely disgraceful. Yeah. They should too. Mike, can you send me the link for that, please? I would like to report on that. Yeah, I want to do everything I can to put that man in prison. I think he belongs in prison. I know people deserve what they get, but really, pumping the stock and then dumping on everybody. I mean, I feel sorry I don't feel sorry for the people. Really, if you're that stupid that you think you can follow someone who's just a crook, then same people that follow Sam Bankman-Fried, then you carry on. But he's worse than Sam Bankman-Fried, though. I think he's worse. I think he's absolutely worse because he's exciting those who don't know what they don't know what to do. They're easily led. He's leading all the daft people down the toilet. Martyn Lucas, 2 first names. I have no idea what that means. That's my real name, Martyn Lucas. Yeah, that's my real name. Yeah, because of game trade. Yeah, Keith Gill equals Kitty. Yeah, that's right. Yes. I've got that super chat. Vaz, I'll do that. Harming Rory Kit will drive the apes to buy more. Oh God. That's like saying Adolf Hitler's a bad bloke is going to upset all the Nazi youth. I mean, who cares? That's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Who cares? Who cares? Carry on. Buy it. Lose all your money. Don't care. Anyway, Dow Jones ETORO is considering removing him. Yeah, they should remove him. They should put him in jail. This is facts posted on Wall Street Journal. Mike, can you send me the link, please? I want to cover that. Vaz, Ramesh Nuki. Okay. Ramesh says some funny words. I don't know why he does it. I'll try, but the service is not the greatest. You should ask Timmy AI what he thinks about Roaring Kitty. Martin, IBRX moving back to finally regain 7%. Good. It's all coming back now. It all just went down this morning because of what we saw on GameStop, right? It's ridiculous. Everything has come back. I said it would have a green day. It is a green day. I didn't lose any money. I'm up again today. We're going back. We're going to all-time highs. My all-time high is 89.7. I've got a grand to go and I'll be there. Can someone drop the membership link? Yep, there it is. If you're on an iOS device, you need to select a browser and also, of course, request desktop version because YouTube don't want to lose any money to Google. Google don't want to lose any money to Apple. That's what I'm trying to say. All right. Wow, I've missed a couple of days and this chat has gone crazy. It has, mate. I tell you what, I'm not joking. I'm absolutely not joking. This is how I feel the last couple of days. Oh, Jason Davis has gifted membership. There you go, Caden. You won it. You won it. You didn't need to buy it. You won it. How about that, Caden Youngquist? So right, Caden, you've got your membership now. So there you go. Now, normally we don't do reviews for people who win memberships, but because you paid extra, I kind of got to really. Eric Wood has become a member. There we go. Let's have a look at these. Let's celebrate. We got some new members coming in. Let's have a look. Eric Wood, you've just become a member. There you go. Whoops. Hello. That broke. There you go, Eric Woods. Oh, Caden Youngquist has won one. There you go. Caden, well done. Fantastic. You've won one. So your review is written down now. Yep, him and hers. Caden Youngquist, fantastic. And Knee Grower has become a member as well. There you go. Please do thank Jason Davis. Jason Davis has just bought 5 people memberships. Very, very kind. Very, very kind indeed. Caden Youngquist, you've got a 6 months back now. Awesome. Got a free membership right before I was going to check out. Damn it. Caden Youngquist was just about to do it. But that's great, though. That's the power of the family, mate. Ramesh has won one. Fantastic. Thanks, Jason. Please do thank Jason. That's his hard-earned money that he's just donated to you. So very, very nice indeed. Oh, Chris Schultz has won one as well. There you go. Absolutely awesome. I think that's the last one. Yeah, we're all in now. Brilliant, 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 brilliant. Very nice indeed. There you go. Congratulations to everybody that won a membership there. Awesome. There you go. Awesome stuff. I wish I could fade the audio out, but never mind. Right before I was going to check out. Yeah, thanks, Jason. Jason, I'll keep auto renew on for you, Martin. I don't think you can leave auto renew on if it was a free one. I don't know. I've no idea. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You won one. Enjoy it. Absolutely fine. Right. So did I get that link sent in from Mike about Roaring Kitty? Links for YouTube. I don't see it yet. How did Caden go from no member to 6-month member? Steve Wally, because he's been a member before. And if you come back before your history expires, then it carries on where you left off. So yeah, I mean, he won't have got the time that he wasn't a member, but if you renew before you before the history expires, I think it's like 30 days, something like that. He's had a few free ones. He's been very lucky. You then are able to continue the history. Right, Mike has sent me in something. Here we go. Okay. Now then, let's have a look. Okay. This is a great story. Thank you so much indeed for sending me this in. Okay. Thank you very much. Enphase at end, then GME. Okay. Is it all over for Roaring Kitty, GameStop? Is it about to come crashing down like the stock has today? And is Roaring Kitty going to be off to jail? These are my questions for you. And what do you think? And I just had somebody in the chat tell me, if Roaring Kitty gets pressure put on him, we're going to buy more and we're going to pump it more. If that doesn't sound the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard, and you may recognize that familiar behavior with what's going on in the world today, everybody, just a lot of people, angry people, seem to want to follow people, no matter how stupid they are, no matter how wrong they are. It doesn't seem to matter to some people. The worse they get, the more they promise to back them and support them. We've seen this throughout history. I used the example Adolf Hitler this morning in one of my videos. People followed him. It's been done by many leaders in the past. You can be absolutely ridiculous, stupid, evil, doesn't matter. The worse you get, the more people will support you. Just the world we live in. Well, there's some evidence now to suggest it's all about to come crashing down for our Mr. Kitty. And good luck as well. I hope he does end up in jail, because what we saw today literally wiped out many people's money, and one person got all the money. And why anyone would support this behavior is beyond me and despicable. Today, Roaring Kitty pumped the stock. People with no brain whatsoever bought it because they're desperate, they're hungry, they're led by idiots, and then they end up losing all their money. The stock's gone right back down. This is the news that has just broken literally just a few moments ago. This is brand new, hot off the press. E-Trade considering kicking Keith Gill off its platform, Wall Street Journal reports. Now, whatever you do, this is not a battle cry. This is not designed for those of you sitting at home in your mum's bedroom on Reddit. Right, boys, come on, let's buy some more GameStop. You are all... Do you know what? I'm not even going to repeat it anymore because I don't care anymore. It got to the point today and I nearly thought, I just don't want to do this anymore. I'm not joking. I really today thought, I'm just going to go back to my music channel. This is getting ridiculous. This is not investing, it's taking over the news. E-Trade is considering telling MemeStop influencer Keith Gill he can no longer use its platform after growing concerns about potential stock manipulation. You think? The guy is a complete and utter crook. He is not your best mate who wears a baseball cap and a bandana sideways. He's a Wall Street trader who lost his license because he conned everybody. He's now doing it again. The guy should be in prison. This is worse than Sam Bankman-Fried. Sam Bankman-Fried just stole everyone's money. This guy is doing it openly and admitting it, but people are so daft they don't care. And one guy just came and said, "Great, I'm going to follow him even more." There you go. Anyway, can no longer use the platform after growing concerns about potential stock manipulation amid his recent purchases of GameStop. Yes, he bought GameStop this morning and then dropped it in 5 minutes and everybody ended up losing money. Again, is it their fault? Well, yeah. If you're led by someone like this, then carry on. I'm really fed up with this. I hope this is the last video I have to make on this. Shortly before Gill reignited a meme stock craze in May, he bought a large volume of GameStop options on E-Trade. The Journal's report said, citing people familiar with the matter. Remember, he bought it before it went up, right? He was the first person. He then put out a post. You all bought it. He then dumped it, and now he's doing it again. And you're all doing it again, and you're all losing your money again. I don't understand when this is ever going to end. E-Trade parent Morgan Stanley just declined to comment on the report. I bet they did. GameStop shares jumped around 30% on Monday after the stock's influencer, known as Roaring Kitty, returned to Reddit with a post showing a 116 million bet on the embattled video game retailer. He's destroying the business, destroying people's lives, people losing their jobs, losing their houses, people getting divorced. There'll even be people taking their own lives who are so depressed that they thought they could get out of debt and end up with nothing. The post was the first in 3 years from his Reddit account by Gill, the influencer behind the 2021 retail trading frenzy in 2021. Screenshots on Reddit of his bullish GameStop trade triggered a rush of demand for meme stocks. We've seen Virgin Galactic dragged into this, FFI dragged into this, often companies with weak fundamentals that gained a cult-like following through a social media hype among retail traders. The screenshot posted on Sunday showed a GameStop holding of 5 million shares, or 1.8% of its publicly traded stock. Gill's last post was April 2021, titled Final Update, showed a holding of 200,000 shares worth 30.9 million. Reuters could not verify the screenshot on Reddit. So there you go. What do you make of that? What do you make of that? Well, as we got that news a few moments ago, I mentioned it, and a couple of people said to me, I'm going to buy even more. You know what? Stupid is what stupid does. I started this YouTube channel. I'm not joking. I'm really serious. I started this YouTube channel a short while ago, 3 years ago, to do something good. And every day I wake up, have a shower and shave, put a suit and tie on, and I want to do something good, right? And it's dominating the news. All of this stupidness is dominating the news. We live in a world now, whoever shouts loudest gets heard. The politics in America has gone bizarre. Everyone's shouting and screaming, people calling for civil revolution, people saying we've got either side of the political argument. There are people saying who support Donald Trump. I don't care what he gets convicted of, I'm voting for him. We've got people on the other side saying whatever happens, I'm voting for this guy. No one sits down and listens. It's just become angry people shouting at themselves, shouting at each other. Who dares wins? I don't understand where the world has gone. And I said to Leah this afternoon, having my lunch, I don't even know if I want to carry on doing this, because I want this show to be a force for good. And I don't like being in this pile of crap. Honestly, this is not what I went to university and educated myself for. And it's just a waste of time. It's a waste of my time talking about all of this. So it is the news, though. It is making headlines everywhere. It's affecting the markets today. We saw the markets today get completely influenced by all of this. It did. All the markets drove out because there was corruption on the Wall Street. There was a technical issue. And I said, guys, there's nothing wrong with the market. It's going to be green again. Well, there it is. It went straight back down and straight back up. And that's fine. That's where we'll always end up. We'll always end up with common sense and everything else will win out. But what upsets me and what really riles me up and makes me really to the point of I'm done, I am so done with this, is the difference between Roaring Kitty, who's just a flipping idiot behind his silly little bandana and his silly little... Honestly, I want to slap him across the face. I mean, really is. He does look like an idiot as well, like a 5-year-old kid. He's behind his camera, never meeting the people he's robbing from. I've met my audience all around the world, and I really feel it. And it really makes me feel sick every day when I come here and I see what's going on, and I watch, and I get people telling me it's great. What is great about that? That's like the worst example of human behavior right there. If that does not look like the worst state of a market, I don't know what is. That's the moment he announced it this morning. Boom, and then done and gone. Now, you've got people now who have paid all this money for all this, and now there's no way they can get the money back whatsoever. The company is destroying the business. The company don't know how to operate with their stock price like this. And one man all by himself is doing this. So it's just, I don't want this toxicity in my life. Really, I've got to change this, because this is not what I want to do. Anyway, there's the news. There's what's going on. Mike, thanks for sending it in. We've ended up back where we started from. If you'd sold out today, you would have lost your money. If you bought back, you'd have bought at the wrong time. I've come to realize now you can't fix stupid. People that want to follow him will follow him just because he does even more wrong. All right, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. If we put him in jail, he'll become like a hero martyr, and you'll get everyone buying even more. That's the world we live in now, I'm afraid. So I'm, what can you say to this? Let's read the comments. Let's have a look here. Let's read this. Hugo, GameStop will still rise after hours. What are you on about? What the hell are you talking about? How much lower do you want to go? It's going back down again. What are you talking about? It halted my E-Trade account this morning, and I wasn't able to trade. There you go, Mike. So you couldn't trade at all because of Roaring Kitty. You wasn't able to trade any of your stocks. Is that what you're saying? So what happens when they kick him off and he starts pumping a crypto instead? He can still buy crypto. The guy should go to jail. There should be no question about this. The guy should be in jail. What he's doing is wrong. It's immoral. It's disgusting. It's despicable. It's selfish. He should be in prison. I hate this. He probably will go to another platform to trade there. Probably will. Put him in jail. Roaring Kitty is sitting there saying, I don't even use them to buy my GameStop. Yeah, I bet he is. Worst of all, the entire article makes no sense. Makes no sense. They can't force him not to post anything. Think about it for a moment. He's doing absolutely nothing wrong. What do you mean he's not doing absolutely nothing wrong? Hugo, he was a Wall Street trader. He broke every rule of Wall Street. He broke his oath. He manipulated the market. He used inside information. He lost his license. He was lucky not to go to prison. What are you talking about? He's doing nothing wrong. It's despicable what's going on. He just posts something and people make a whole story out of it. No, Hugo, it stopped E-Trade's platform. So the whole platform could not trade this morning because of Roaring Kitty. I won't report or comment anymore on this one subject anyway. Mike, yeah, probably not. He is not allowed to post anything about GameStop, but you are allowed to say what that another story is going to zero. What is the difference? If you can't see the difference between right and wrong, Hugo, there's no saving anybody. Do you think I should buy GameStop tomorrow? Oh my God. It was halted, yes. How about the short traders? Hi, Martin, how you doing? You think I should buy GameStop tomorrow? The parable of the forgiven debtor may apply. Right, listen, guys. There was that video. I hope that's of some help to anybody. Really, there's a few comments there from the viewers. What do you think about that? Leave me your thoughts below. Click above my head, down below in the description. Over here and over here. Sometimes... what do they say? Stop the world, I want to get off. I tell you what, stop the world, I want to get off. Take care of yourselves and each other. It's getting ridiculous, isn't it? It's getting ridiculous. What's everyone think of all of this? FFIE. Opinion on FFIE. Zubair, I can't do any more opinions on FFIE. If you look below here on my video, on the homepage of the channel, I've got if you go to the playlist, I've got a whole playlist of FFIE. If you sort by last video added, let's have a look. Nicola, Root, Novak, Alpha Spread, Top Gainers. There you go. I've got a whole playlist. We've just put some new stuff out for you. Omar with millions of followers. He's manipulating everybody. The guy's basically a gambling addict, and everyone thinks it's great. So that doesn't make any sense either. There is... oops. Let me do that. Hang on a minute. You want the link for this. Copy. Here's the playlist for Faraday Future. There you go. If you want the playlist, there it is. I answered your question. Better off with a roulette wheel. Caden Youngquist, there's a young man there. A young man telling you, you're better off with a roulette wheel. Yeah? You're better off with a roulette wheel. And that's a young man at 18 years of age telling you that. He's not influenced by all this flipping nonsense. Don't stop. Don't stop. What do you mean, don't stop? Super chat. We have a good night, Martin. Oh, look at that. Don't stop. Have a good night, Martin. That's very kind of you. Thank you very much. Honestly, I'm really not enjoying it at the moment. I'm loving the company. I'm loving you guys, but I'm not enjoying the way the world is behaving and the way it's making me feel right now. It's making me feel crap. I'm swearing more than I've ever done. I don't like it. I'm being absorbed by this toxicity. I don't like it. What's up, Martin? What's up? Mark Saxby, I think that's what you're saying. I do own and forget how much I do own and forgot how much I own. I now have. All right, thank you. I do not own any, says Mike. Okay, roulette is good. All on a red and pray, always red. Might as well just stick with red. Why not, Raz? Anyway, and someday FFA is going to zero, but I do have a profit today. Okay. Well, you know, whatever. Anyway, as we said, we're up to date, as we said we would be. It's no real. Let's get that crap off the screen. 88.8. We're nearly 89,000 right now. Tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow's gonna be a different day. Tomorrow we're gonna do things differently. Tomorrow, I might go members only. Every crap stock is banned. And just anyone who I need like a questionnaire, right? When you come in, you have to pass 5 basic questions. 2 + 2 equals, and you have to get it right. And if you can't get the questions right, you're not allowed in. That's what I want. That's what I want. Tomorrow, I want to start the show. I want to start this journey again. All right. Really. I get it. Hopefully your day will improve. That's very kind. No tax from Norway. I'm loving this from Norway. No tax. You know, no tax. You know, I can do Morten Harket. Aha, Take On Me. I can do a really good Morten Harket. If you join me on Friday night on the music channel, I will sing Take On Me. Take On Me. Is it Take On Me? Take On Me, innit? Yeah, it's Take On Me, innit? I couldn't remember then for a minute. Let's have a look. Have I recorded it? Let's have a look. Martyn Lucas, Take On Me. I can't remember if I have or not. Yes, I have. There you go. I've recorded it. Look. Do you want to have a little look? I can't play it for copyright reasons. Right? If I play it for copyright reasons, I'll get the show flagged. Look. Right? There you go. If I do it, I'll get copyright. So if you want to hear me sing, here we go. Okay. So I'm going to give you I'm in my studio, look. Whoops. There you go. So this is for no tax. No tax. This is for you. Whoops. No tax. There you go. Let me give you the link. There's me doing Take On Me. If you go and leave a comment, I'll reply back to you, okay? Another day to find you. Shine away. There you go. There's Take On Me in the studio. On me. Okay. A bit of Norwegian music. Very nice indeed. So there you go. There's the link. If you want to go and check that out on my music channel, you might enjoy that. All right. I can't play anymore because I'll get copyright on my own video. I might have already done it, so I've got to be careful. Let's have a look. First time watching you. Seems like I've picked an interesting day. Toby Tullett, you picked a day, all right. We've been doing this for 3 years, and today is it's making me really angry and frustrated. I'm honest with you. I'm live 12 hours a day, Toby. Where are you from? What part of the world are you from? Where's Toby gone? I can't see him in the chat. Toby, where are you from? Where's Toby? Oh, there he is. Toby Tullett. Where are you from, Toby? I'm from Cornwall in England. My studio's here in Texas. How are you doing? Lovely to have you here. Jay Long. We go live at 12 hours a day. We got the music channel. We got the extra channel. This is behind the scenes. We've been live here all day since 6 o'clock this morning. This is behind the scenes, look. On our radio show. Radio 2. So anyway, there you go. Tomorrow is a new day. Zach, I can't wait. I want to wake up tomorrow. I want to do things differently tomorrow. I don't want any mention of a cat tomorrow. You'd be surprised how many people don't know 2 + 2. I'm not surprised. I'm seeing it every day. What is your music channel? There is a link. I've just given it to you. If you click on that, on the home page of this channel, look, where you are right now. You are here watching me live. This is you right now. You're here, right? And there is my extra channel. Da-da! And there is my music channel. Da-da! All right, there you go. And if you scroll down, there's all the videos, the playlist, the members-only content, all that, lots of members-only videos. And if you click on the music channel, you'll go straight there, and ba-boom, there it is. There's all the songs. Just put out Frank Sinatra all the way. Aerosmith, I Don't Want to Miss a Thing. Eric Clapton, Wonderful Tonight. Michael Jackson, I do the voice of Michael Jackson. Do you want to hear it? Do you want to hear a little bit? Oh, yeah, I can do Michael Jackson. Oh, yeah, no messing. You want to hear it? Look. What about all the things that you said we were to gain? What about killing feel? Lots of different voices and lots of different languages. And there is my music channel. Yeah. Okay. Let's wrap up the show. Let's get out of here. And I saw her face, and I'm a believer. Oh, we haven't done that for ages. Zach Zay, why have you not requested that? I love that song. The sun always... Yes, Vaz, I can do that as well. The sun always shines on TV. Yes. Should we turn the echo on? Echo. The sun always shines on TV. Touch me. How can it be? To me. To me. Take on. I'm not going to do it. You got to come to the show. I saw a face. That's a good song. I just saw a face by the Beatles. I just saw a face. Did you? What, the Shrouded Turin? Do you just see it? Don't go around telling people that you're seeing faces. No tax, thank you. Wait, what's happening? Zach, I guess you're the spaceman, right? Where do you see the price going for the flight? Hugo T, I'm a believer. That's a damn good voice. Jim Bob. Hey, Jim Bob. Hang on, we're having some fun here. Where's Jim Bob from? Jim Bob, where are you from? Hang on, where's Jim Bob? Jim Bob, I tell you what, Jim. I'll make a deal with you, Jim. I'll make a deal with you. If you become a member right now, there is the link. If you're on a mobile device, an iOS device, you'll have to use a browser. All right, and select desktop version, as it says in the chat. If you become a member right now, I will do for you live, right now, sitting here with no music, the voice of, and you can choose between Paul McCartney, Pavarotti, Andre Bocelli, Michael Jackson, Louis Armstrong, Eric Clapton. Did I say Paul McCartney? I've got more than that, haven't I? I've got 14 voices. Why can I not remember? Oh yeah, Michael Bolton, When a Man Loves a Woman. I can do all those voices, and I'll do it live right now as I'm sitting here. And Jim, but you're from Nottingham. I was in Nottingham. I was in Sherwood at the Thoresby Hall. I played at the Thoresby Hall. Hey.
Notax has become a member.
Notax has become a member. Notax has become a member. How are you, Notax? Well, you got lots of benefits now. Lots of memberships stuff. Shall I give it to you? will you play on your Friday for us now on the show as a little teaser? Vaz, I can't because of copyright. I can do it on Friday, but if I play it, it'll get copyright. I don't think I've recorded that one. I don't think I've ever recorded it. Let me have a look. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Jim Bob has become a member.
What's going on? Jim Bob, what do you want then? Which voice do you want? Which voice do you want? It's gone a bit mad. So Martyn Lucas, Sun Always Shines on TV. I don't know if I recorded it. Sun Always Shines. I don't know if I recorded it. If I type in Martyn Lucas, Seasons in the Sun, I recorded that one. Stuck on You, Sound of Silence, I just recorded that one. Make Me Smile. This is a good one. Here's a good one. You like this one? Make Me Smile. Done it all. You've broken every code. There you go, Steve Harley. I can't play it all because of copyright, but there you go. It's just done Steve Harley. There's a good one. I'll give you the link for that. Right, we finished the show now. Now we're no copyright issues. Yeah, right. You say that. It's all very well for you to say it. YouTube aren't going to come round your house and go, Vaz, should we give him copyright flag? And you go, yeah, it's right, mate. Don't worry. Leave him alone. Yeah, leave him alone. He's fine. Anyway. Yeah. So you can say what you like, mate. But anyway, I'm not going to do it. From New Zealand. Hang on a minute. Did you say you're from New Zealand? Hang on a minute. Right. First of all, we're going to get very excited now. I'm excited. Right. First of all, here we go. First of all, Toby, we've got members in 62 countries. Is it 62? Hang on. 62 countries in 14 languages. No, yeah. Sorry, 61 countries. These are all the flags. Have we got New Zealand here? Because you can now fly the flag. We have got Chile, USA, England, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, Germany, Dominican Republic, Mexico, Denmark, Mauritius, Czech Republic, Lithuania, Romania, Morocco, Costa Rica, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Croatia, Israel, Netherlands, Rwanda, Palestine, Iran, Jamaica, Taiwan, South Korea, Ecuador, France, Russia, New Zealand. We've already got New Zealand. I can't fly the flag twice. I was going to fly the flag for you there, but I can't. Damn it. I was going to do it. We got Norway as well. We've got Norway, no tax. We've already got Norway. I can't add it twice. Yeah, we added Norway near the beginning. So there are all the countries. Now then, for those of you who have just become a member, Vaz, you can have your Sun Always Shines on TV on Friday night. All right, make sure that you join me. Shall I give everyone the link for Friday night? I'll tell you what we'll do. I'm just about to give everyone their memberships. Everybody, look here. Look here. Why am I saying look here? You're thinking, we're already looking at the phone, right? We're already here. Don't say look here. Right. Friday night, closing bell after the show, we will do a concert, right? We do it every Friday. Okay, so no surprise. Go there now and leave a comment of the song that you'd like. Now, if you've just become a member, so Nod Tax and is it Toby, you get a free request. The jukebox gets free for you for one song, just one song, on Friday. Friday show. Go and put a request now of what you want. Okay, there's the Friday show. So what you do is you go there, you click the notification, you click like, and you go into the chat. If you set it for live chat, like that, live chat, go in there and tell me. So Vaz, you've got to put in the Sun Always Shines on TV because you've already tipped me, so you get that song on Friday. I won't forget. Well, I will. But you just got to remind me. If you go in there now and say, Martyn, I just gave you a tip, bloody well play it, £10, it's the first song. So write it in here and I'll do it, right? Now, for the rest of you who have just become members, you're going, what do I get? What do I get? What do I get for my membership? This is what you get. First of all, we have members-only live streams, members-only videos that only members get to see. All right? You'll see more videos now that other general folk don't get to see. If we go to the homepage of the channel, hang on, you scroll back here. Well, this is taking some time. There we go. Let's try again. All right, there you go. If you look down here, right, you will see there are members-only videos. See, members only. There are members-only live streams, things that only members get to see. We have videos that go out earlier to members as well. In the chat, we have members-only chats. Only members can chat, right? That's kind of obvious, okay? You can ask me to poll the audience if you want me to ask the audience a question. You can have a first free song request in the video. If you're a silver member, you go on the homepage of the channel. If you're a gold member, you can have 2 hours a month one-on-one calls to help you build a YouTube channel if that's what you want. Answer any questions towards that. Okay, that's that. You can ask me to review a stock, and what you do is, now you remember, what you do is you bid. So if you want to do a $1 super chat, it will go at the bottom of the list. If you do higher, it goes higher up, and I can do reviews, as many as you want. I can review stocks for you. The higher you bid, the quicker it gets done. If you want me to go and do a specific video, someone just gave me a super chat. Vaz said, can you make me a video on a credit score? So I'm going to do that for Vaz. If you want me to cover an earnings, get up in the morning very early or go late, and you want me to do an earnings for you, I can. My stocks videos often rank number 1 or 2 on YouTube for the stocks. If you want to promote the stock, and remember, I'm not pumping and dumping it. I'm not roaring kitty. I'm not going to go to prison. Everything here is just to help you. Remember, I'm the world piano man. I'm not here to pump and dump stocks. I'm here just to help people. So that's what that's all about. Many, many perks. And also you get free trading from Ed Nevius, scalp trading, crypto advice from Sensei. We've got a team of people that are here to help you. A lot of that is on Discord. So let me give you, first of all, the links that you need. So here is the video that tells you all the perks and benefits that you get. You ready? This video here tells you all the perks and benefits that you get as a member. There it is. And these are all the links. So first of all, Alpha Spread. If you want to use my software, the most advanced algorithmic software that I use, there it is. There's the link. And you've got that? Okay. All right. There's the music channel. You've all got that. Instagram. I want to help everybody that follows me online to grow. So if you follow me online, I'll engage with you, comment to you. So as I grow, I'll tag you in posts, stuff like that. There's Facebook. There's Rumble. There's the shop. If you want to get yourself one of our mugs, let me show you what I mean by that. If I go here a minute, let me just bring this up. We've got what's called the Mugs Rogues Gallery, and you can be on this. So up here, where is it? Recent. Here we go. And I'm going to play a memory video. Okay, here we go. Here's my memory video of the Lucas mugs. So there you go. There you go. These are our members who have got a mug. And if you want to get a mug, send a picture in via Discord and I'll put it on the show. There's Dr. Smith, not seen him for a while. There's Paddy from Italy. Hey, there he is. There's Keen. So you can send the picture in. There's Mike, winner of the best trophy. There you go. And we'll share this on the screen. These are all our members around the world. There's Wadey. I just did Wadey's review. There's MSK. He's got long hair now. There's Stephen Lewandowski. There's Seth when he got rid of his beard. Jason Fallon's back. He's in Australia. There's Zach Zate from Israel. John Granfall. There he is, the Texan man. There you go. I think there's more as well. There's more mugs I've got to add. There's our Jive Bunny. Bill's got lots of mugs, so he gets a few pictures. All right, there you go. Look at all this. Fantastic. And we can add you to the Lucas mugs. I've got to add Stacey to that as well. She's not on at the moment. There's a few new ones I've got to add. They take a bit of time sometimes to get sorted out, but there you go. Let me read this through. Carpenter in the Big Smoke. Looking to do a bit of trading while on the site. Can hook you into my headphones while I work. Toby, I'm loving it. We got a guy over in Australia, Jason Fallon. He's a masonry guy. He's building walls. He's got me on headphones. We've got Stacey Bailey. I think she works in a farm with all her horses and stuff. Well, she has me on headphones as well. When we got Seth Houston, he walks around with headphones on while he cuts the grass. Just got your new music sub. Just got you a new music sub. Just got you a new music sub. Mike, what did you do? Hey, Mike, what did you do? What did you do, Mike? I'm a believer. What happened to all the original members like Bill and Muzanella? They're still here. Bill's not anymore. Bill went a bit crazy. He got angry and negative, started sending lots of horrible messages, and he's become very depressed. And we helped him as much as we could, kept trying to encourage him, but he just was determined to go down the doom and gloom line. So we just, I washed my hands of it in the end. I said, I can't be doing it anymore. He was sending horrible messages. And in the end, it was like, then he was pretending to be somebody else, pretending to be a YouTuber, that he could help me grow on YouTube. And it all just got silly. So in the end, I said, look, forget it. We know this is daft. Muzanella still watches every day. I messaged Muzanella privately. He still watches in his office. Me too, says Brian. 25, Zach. Martin loves singing. I do. Jim Bob, you didn't say what voice you wanted. Jim Bob, now you become a member. I said you can choose Pavarotti, Andre Bocelli, Michael Bolton, Michael Jackson, Richard Marx, Paul McCartney, Eric Clapton. I can't think of the rest. I've got like 14 of them. If you pick one of those, I'll do it for you now. Nottingham. It really can't stay below one until 2025. Eric Clapton, Layla. You can't choose. Jay Long. You didn't become a member. You can't choose. You've got to wait till Friday. Sinatra, says Vaz. Welcome, no tax. Welcome, no tax. No tax. Become a member. Welcome, Jim Bob. Hey, Jim Bob. Yeah, can everyone welcome them in? Gotta be Mickey Bolton. All right. Jim Bob. Are you ready then? This is a good one. I'm glad you've chose this one. Right. Now then, just so you know, Jim Bob, right? There's no special effects. All I use is this. It gives me reverb. Hello? Hello? That's all I use. Right? So my hands are here. Look, I don't, it's nothing else. It's just my voice. Live. Unedited. Are you ready? Are you ready? Now, Jim Bob, this is what I used to tell people when I toured around the world on cruise ships. Because you got to remember, I got voted by Elton John as the world piano man. I didn't tell you that, did I? All right? So I can do it, right? And what I used to say to people in the piano bar to get tips, because my job was how much tips I would make. So what I'm going to say to you is what I said to people all over the world. I've played all over Russia. I've played all over Africa. I've played all over Asia, Australia, Europe, America. I've played all over the world, right? And wherever I went in a piano bar, this is what I would say. I would say this, and I'm going to say it to you now, Jim Bob. I would say, if this is the best impression of whoever, in your case, Michael Bolton, that you have ever heard in any piano bar ever in the whole world ever, if this is the best impression of Michael Bolton that you have ever heard in the whole world ever, in any piano bar ever, in the whole world ever, by a piano man ever, completely live, unedited, no hands, no special effects, no special vocal impressions, no special digital enhancement, no vocoders, no self-tuning, just live. If it's the best you have ever heard, you've all got to drop a dollar bill in the chat, in the tip jar. And I was in the Caribbean, I was on ships, I was all over the place. And I'd have a big jar on the front of the piano. And at the end of this song, if it was good, people would be queuing up to put dollar bills in the thing. So you ready? So I'm going to do that to you right now. So every single person in the chat, how many are there? How many are there? There are 34. So by the end of this song, I should have at least $34. I'm confident, right? So here he goes. If you think this is the best impression you've ever heard of Michael Bolton in a piano bar on YouTube, in an investor channel, in the whole world ever, you've never heard anything better, you've got to put at least a $1 super chat in the chat. So there's 34. So by the end of this, I need $34. If not, I've done a rubbish job. Here we go. I can't do the music. That's for Friday because I get copyright. Just the voice. Here we go. Well, a man loves a woman deep down his soul. Love and eyes could never see. He gives up all. He does comfort, sleep on the rain. If she said that's the way it ought to be, he gives up all his precious, sleep on the rain. Love and eyes can never see. Well, a man loves a woman deep down his soul. Love and eyes can never see. She gives up all his comforts, sleep on the rain. Love and eyes that can never see. There you go. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the chat. We got 79 cents from Vaz. We got Mike. Look at that. You see, I should end up with $34 because there's 34 people. At least he works for it. Bloody right. At least he works for it. Steve Wally. I got $1 from Steve Wally. Brian Bynum. I got $1 from Brian Bynum. Jay Long. 99 cents. There it is. Fantastic. There you go. That's how we do that. Oh, I forgot the other impression. I was trying to say what my impressions were, and then I couldn't remember. It was Elton John, wasn't it? Elton John and Billy Joel. Oh, flipping heck. I couldn't remember. Now I can remember. How many did I get? There's 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I made $6. That's all right. That's better than a busker on the street, if I'm honest. So I've done all right. I've earned $6. Leah, start the cart. We're going to Starbucks. I got $6. There you go. Oh, there you go. Let's read the comments. New members party and Stephen's birthday. Yes, 65 today is 65. Friday night. Okay, Zach. Now you're just guessing. In any case, I think 1 to 4. Flight day, June the 8th. Jay Long. Yes, we got a break of $1. Mark issue this month. Mark issued TD Cowan. What's so big about them? Nothing. Oh, yeah. He is. Yeah. Eric Kearney, awful human being. All he cares about is GameStop shorting. Awful. Can you see the comment? For Friday? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. The comment for Friday. Let's have a look for Friday. And let's have a look. Here we go. Are you ready? Oh, there you go for Hugo. For Hugo T. Now you. For Hugo. Now you. What does that mean? What does that mean? I don't know what it means. For Hugo T now. I don't know what it means. What does that mean? What does that mean? Is it reading out my comments? Let's have a look here. What's going on here? Are we reading out comments? Recent events. I've not had anything read out today. What's going on here? Live actions. "11 minutes ago. This was Zach's 8. I'm just waiting for a minute. It should read it out. They have 6 months to get to $1. Put Eric's face on a mug. Put a mug on Eric's face. Links for YouTube. Links for YouTube. Hang on a minute. I'm getting overwhelmed here. GameStop. Yeah, we've covered that already, Jay Long. I had the video go out this morning. Thank you for that, though, but I've already covered it. GME's up 105% in the last hour. Let's have a look. It's not going again, is it? No, it's not. No, it's not. Why are you saying that, Liam? Oh, GME Crypto. Oh, GME Crypto coin. Oh, I see. Okay. You get a gold star for trying so hard. You're a good man. A little odd, but communicate well and always positive. Thank you very much. I think so, anyway. What did you say? You got a gold star for trying so hard. You're a good man. A little odd, but communicate well and always positive. Okay. Thank you, Particle Beam. Don't know if it's relevant, but just seen it. Yeah, we covered that this morning. The video's gone out without restriction via its crypto coin. No offense, but strippers in a sleazy bar make more tips than a piano bar in the best piano bar in the world. No offense, but strippers in a sleazy bar make more tips than a piano bar in the best piano bar in the world. How do you know? How do you know? I've played in the best piano bars in the world and as the world piano man. And I did all right. I bought my house from it. So how do you know? Are you a stripper or are you the world piano man? Which one are you? You almost look like Kitty pulling money out of people's wallets. Hugo T. Yeah, of course I do. Yeah, I'm providing a service and people find it entertaining, Hugo T. Yeah, I'm just like it. At least he works for it. Exactly. I did something and people enjoyed it and gave me a tip. Hugo T, you don't have to be a member. You watch for free. You get me to talk to you, answer your questions for free. You don't pay anything to watch. It's free. And I'm giving you my time, my valuable time for free. So there you go. Oh my God, says Part Gabi. It's the 3rd of the month. So, you know, everyone got their disability, government assistance, welfare checks in the bank accounts. That's not very nice, is it? Hence all these dips. So why so stingy, Jay? Give him 5. You're a member after all. Hugo T, you're not even a member. You've never donated a single penny. So don't you start on other people. Sorry, my headphones fell out. You can rewind it. Don't worry about it. There you go. I am not a member. No, we know you're not a member. You're not a member or anything. We know. Jason Fallon. I can't wait for Friday. We'll do some Australian music. Now would be a great time to become one. I think being free member is just as much fun. Hugo T, because you don't see half the videos. That's why you don't know. As a member, you don't. As a non-member, you don't see the members' videos. You don't see the members' live streams. You don't see the members' only chats. You don't get reviews. You don't get, you can't call into the show. You don't get earnings. You don't get reviews. You don't get access to Discord. You don't get songs in the Friday concert. But apart from that, it's exactly the same. The crystal ball invite Hugo to be a member. No, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it, Zach Zay. I'm not going to ask him to be a member. Yes, Jay, I have no money. Give me a free membership. There you go. Well, that's going to do it every time. Just say, give me money. That's going to work every time. I've added the request for the Friday party. Can you see it? Okay, let's have a look. So, let's have a look. Can I see it? There's the show on Friday. Let's click on it. What does it say? What have we got here? Dire Straits. Toby Tullett. I've got a little surprise for you. You'll like this. Let me go to live chat. What does it say here? Vaz says, I just super chatted you a bloody tenner. Play the bloody song. Always shines on TV. Stop playing silly bonkers and banana head. Okay. On Friday night, I shall sing it for you. No question about it. Thank you, mate. You're welcome. Friday night. Toby says, Dire Straits. Money for nothing. Toby, I got a little secret to tell you here. You're going to like this. You ready? As you like that, I've got a little secret for you. You're going to like this. As a man of good taste, you'll like this. I'm going to share with you a little picture here. Okay, right. Let me do this. Now, a few years ago, right, I was contacted by Howie Casey. Howie Casey is the saxophonist for Wings. And I was asked to attend the rehearsal rooms for Wings. So when Wings tour America, they want me to perform as Paul McCartney because Paul doesn't tour with them anymore in the US. I don't know why. So this is me rehearsing with Wings. And the reason why I mention this, because there's a connection here with Dire Straits. This is me in the rehearsal room with Wings. Let's see. Can you see on the music? Lady Madonna. Can you see that? Lady Madonna. Can you see the music? Lady Madonna. Wings, Paul McCartney. There I am doing it. Okay. How about that? That's me rehearsing with Wings. That's Howie Casey is bald head. Right. The reason for telling you all that is because there's a relationship between Paul McCartney and Mark Knopfler. And I'll explain all this on Friday. But on the official Dire Straits, blog, they've got a blog for Mark Knopfler. When it was his birthday, they played my my playlist, the Dire Straits playlist, my playlist on their blog for Mark Knopfler. I was very excited. So, Toby Tullett, on Friday, I shall play Money for Nothing for you live in the show. Oh, yeah. And if between now and then you want to see it, you can go like this. You can go Martyn Lucas, Dire Straits in YouTube like that. And if you do that, look what comes up. Money for Nothing. Jack Sonny. I did a tribute for Jack Sonny. You know, he died recently. What did I do? Was that Brothers in Arms? Dire Straits? There's a whole playlist. Jack Sonny. Do you want to have a little listen? I can't do copyright, but I'll do a little bit, right? Okay. That's all I can do. Guess the song. Here we go. You got shiver in the dark and it's raining in the... That's all I can do. That's all I can do, otherwise I get in trouble. There you go. So there you go. Join me on Friday and I'll be happy to do your song. Let's have a look. I've added the request. Yep, got it. Please, God, keep your kit on. Yeah, bloody right. I'll spend my money on people who are worth it. Jay Long. Jay is correct, Steve Wally. Hope you got my email. Yes, I got your email and posted a video of my granddad in Discord. Yes, right. Where is it? Where did you put it? You posted it in Discord. Jason, where did you put it? Where did you put it? Links for YouTube, breakfast bar. Look at this. Look at this, everybody. Jason Fallon. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Jason Fallon. This is his granddad, who just sadly passed away. Very sad story. Here he goes. Look, here's Jason Fallon's granddad. Absolutely beautiful. I can't obviously play the audio because copyrights. I've got to keep muting it. But I'll take a listen. That's wonderful. Piano Man. That's great. I'm so sorry that you've lost your granddad. There he is, look, playing the piano. Hey, Jason, thank you for sharing that, mate. I'm sorry I can't play all of it.
Has become a member.
Hey, we got a new member. What part of the world are you from? Jason, I'll have a look later. Thank you. Thank you, Martin. Jay is absolutely right. I only put my money into something that yields results. Jay is absolutely right. I only put my money into something that actually yields results. Well, yeah, I don't do anything, mate. I don't help people. I don't support people. I don't provide. I don't do anything for anyone. You're absolutely right. You should go and watch somebody else. You should go and invest. You should go and watch Roaring Kitty and buy into his GameStop nonsense, right? But if you want results, I did start with $5,000 and now I'm at, what am I now? 88,716. I have been around all the world. I have had my own Vegas show, my West End show, got a wonderful wife, and I'm doing all right. So I must do all right. I do okay. So I get some results, Hugo T, but not much. Pretty rubbish, really. Wow, you need to tell us more about your music story one day. Vaz, happily, mate. Yeah, I'll talk about it on the music show, the music journey. Have a good night, Hugo. GME and FFI are doing well after hours for stocks going to zero. Oh, I'm done with it. I ain't doing it anymore. Sultan to swing. That's correct. 10 points. 10 points for Brian Bynum. Wow, still going. Go, Martin. Oh, my God, it's 4:10. Why am I still here? Beautiful. Became a member. Thank you so much indeed. Another member. Let me give you the how and the why video. There you go. What country are you from? New member, what country are you from? Is that Korean? What country are you from? Tell me and I'll speak to you in your language. So our new member, what country are you from? South Korea. Here we go. Hello. All right, hello. Here we go. Korea. South Korea, I love it. I love Koreans. Here we go. Welcome our new member from Korea. It's wonderful to have you here in the show. Thank you for becoming a member. Click on the link in the chat to give you all the information that you get as a member, and join me on Friday. I have lots of fans and friends in Korea who join my music. So please join me on Friday. I'll give you the link in the chat. Welcome to you and all the wonderful people of Korea. Welcome to the family.
한국의 신입 회원을 환영합니다. 쇼에서 여러분을 만나게 되어 기쁘다. 그리고 내 음악에 참여하는 한국의 친구들이므로 금요일에 저와 함께 해주세요. 채팅에서 링크를 드리겠습니다. 당신과 한국의 모든 훌륭한 사람들에게 환영합니다.
Clearly don't need that college fund. Might as well. Yeah, exactly. Best advice you could ever give anyone. Get your college fund so we can educate yourself and get a job and earn money. Don't do that. Don't do that. Give it to Roaring Kitty and he can pump and steal it again. Yeah, fill your boots. Do you know what? I'm going to start banning people who talk about GameStop. Go and bugger off then. I don't want to spend another minute wasting my time talking about it. It's the biggest load of rubbish ever. I don't want to talk about it anymore. We're investors here. Jason, sorry for your loss. Yes, indeed. How should we call the new member? Yes. What's your name? We'd like to welcome you in, and we don't know how to pronounce your name. I've got no idea. Here we go. Korean.
순데렐라. 순데렐라.
That's the person's name.
순데렐라.
Sundarela. Sundarela. So in English, it's Sundarela.
순데렐라.
There you go. So it's Sunny. Sunny. There you go. Sunny will do. Sundarela. All right. There you go. In Korean.
순데렐라. 순데렐라.
Okay. Sunny. So we've got a new friend now, a new mate from Korea, and we're going to call him Sunny because I can't say the rest. We can't read Korean, or at least I can't. I can't either. He'll thank me when he doesn't have student loans. Oh, really? Yeah. Thanks. Great investment. Brilliant. Go and do it. Thanks. You recommend Asti. We are going to have live on the show very soon the CEO from Asti live on our show, and we're going to ask him questions, and you as a member can put questions directly to the CEO of Asti. I'll give you the link in the chat now.
우리는 곧 쇼에 출시될 예정이며 아스티 라이브의 CEO가 우리 쇼에서 질문을 할 것입니다. 그리고 우리는 그에게 질문을 할 것입니다. 그리고 회원으로서 당신은 ASTI CEO에게 직접 질문을 할 수 있습니다. 지금 채팅.
Okay, here's the chat. Here's the link. Okay. Whoa. Storms are back again. Every bloody day now we got storms. Here we got a message here from Rumble. Botzilla, message for the apes out there. A fool and his money is easily parted. Pavarotti. Botzilla. BTO Zilla. Botzilla wants Pavarotti. You've got to do well. If you're not on YouTube, you've got to be a subscriber on. You've got to be a subscriber, or yeah, you got to do a super chat on Rumble if you want me to do Pavarotti. I can do Pavarotti. I can do Andre Bocelli. Oh yeah, and I might go if it's the best you've ever heard. So that's up to you. But you've got to be a subscriber or you've got to be a member or something like that. You know what I'm saying, right? Let me skip the ads. There you go. So, Botzilla, I'll do it, but you got to be a subscriber, remember. All right? That's the deal. I've got to have value. I've got to have value here. He'll thank me when, yeah, okay, right. Oh my God, I love this. Thank you so much. We've made somebody happy today in Korea. How about it? Welcome, Sunderella. There you go. Best advice, spend $3 on a membership and learn first. I've got big money. You've got big money? Fantastic. Cinderella, there you go. How do you get the money to Kitty while buying shares of a company? GameStop is not going bankrupt and he is making... Oh, I'm not even going to answer it anymore. Let it go. I'm not going to answer it anymore, Mike. Isn't it ridiculous? If people want to spend their life talking crap, let them get on with it. I've got better things to do, right? So excited. I don't need another subscriber. I don't need another member just so I can talk rubbish to somebody. I'm not interested in it. Asti to the moon. Asti. Let's have a look. GameStop. Yeah, well, hang on. I didn't mean to be on that one. Let's get rid of that. Give that no more publicity. Ascent Solar. Someone else can do it. Meet Kevin can do it. Did you hear that? Big storms. Asti. Very nice. Yep, Steve. I made 10% on my position on Asti today. Congratulations, profit. Good luck. Get the GameStop CEO on your show when you tarnish his company. Right. Okay. Thanks, Martin. You're welcome. Things getting crazy lately. Yeah, weather is awful. We used to live in the desert here in Dallas. I mean, that's essentially what it is, right? But now we've got storms all the time. We're in Tornado Alley. We've had tornadoes touch down. Houses nearby smashed. People dead. I mean, it's a bloody nightmare. It's no joke. Hailstones as big as baseballs. This roof has been replaced twice. And if we get that the bloody, the roof's buggered. No joke. I'm not joking. Ed Nevius, can we have that poll? Ed, what do you want? What poll is it? Ed Nevius, what's the question you want? What's the question you want? Can you all hear that? Did you hear that? Bloody hell. Flipping heck. What do you feel about Lucy? What do I feel about Lucy? Who's Lucy? I don't know who that is. Ed, what poll is it you want? Yeah, we had some intense wins earlier today here in Maryland. Looking at more storms Thursday and Friday. What do you feel about Lucy? I don't know who Lucy is. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. The poll is, should I continue gainers list? Oh yes, we love it. We love the gainers list. Yes. 100%. Yes. Here, I'm going to manipulate the poll. Ed asks, should he continue? I've made a whole bloody series around you and a playlist. You've got to carry on. Should he continue the gainers list? Yes. Right, here we go. Ed asks, should he continue the gainers list? Yes or no? Yes. And yes. Yes, and you must choose this option. Right? I'm manipulating the poll. And no, do not choose this. All right? Absolutely. Absolutely, because it's brilliant, right? There you go. So, Ed asks, should he continue the gainers list? Yes, and you must choose this option. No, do not choose this. I love what Ed's doing. He needs some encouragement. So let's encourage Ed. The answer is yes. Start a poll. Okay, thank you. We'll keep it up. Yes, I've got a whole bloody playlist about you. Have you noticed? Have you not seen? Have you not seen? Look here. Look here, you. Don't you tell me you ain't doing any flipping videos. Where is it? Look at this. Look at this. 6 videos here. Top gainers, low flow, heavy volume news. Top gainers. Look, there are 6 videos. I didn't build you a playlist for no reason at all, did I? I didn't go to the trouble build you a playlist for you to turn around and go, I can't be bothered. No. I love it, Ed. I love it. I don't care what everybody else says. I'm doing it anyway. I'm not even going to listen to the poll. Oh, Lucy is a stock. Is it? I have no idea. I didn't know. I thought Lucy was Lucy in the sky with diamonds. I had no idea. I appreciate the good advice and honest truth about investing versus Reddit nonsense. Yeah. That's when I knew this was the best channel on YouTube. People have no idea about hedge fund shorting. Oh, I know. The Omar guy was telling people that people were coming into Reddit, calling themselves hedge funders, shorting the stocks. People have got no level of understanding whatsoever. It's absolutely ridiculous. It's a great shame that so many people are influenced by it. Easy Boy 2010. If you become a member of our channel, I can review the stock, study it for you. I've got to go, guys. I've been here all day. I don't know why I'm still here. I don't know why I'm still here. Why am I still here? It's a good question. I clicked no by mistake. Yeah, you've ruined it now. You've ruined it. Yes, and you choose the option. 12 votes. There, you see? I will be joining. Fantastic. Here is the link. We welcome you with open arms, and I'll do everything I can to help you and do anything I can to help you. There you go. Mike's got rid of another member. There we go. We're deleting people here today like it's going out of fashion. I love it. Mike's getting carried away now. He's deleting people just for fun of it. Look at those results. I'm still trying to build and figure out my portfolio to start following your scalps. Seth Houston, Ed Nevius, he's the man for the scalps. Did you hear one more time? No pressure though. Seth Houston. Martyn Lucas, poll manipulator, cult leader, better than the BBC. Yes, and I admit it. This is a cult. Absolutely right. Unbelievable. Yes, I am manipulating my own polls. It's a cult following, and I'm not ashamed of it. Flipping right. Absolutely. Everybody's brainwashed. Look into my screen. Look into my screen and vote the way I want. Yes. Send super chats. Send super chats now. Everybody. You ready? Let's see shall we see what happens? Shall we see if I really have superpowers? Right? Shall we do it? Shall we do it? Right. Let's see. Let's see if I really have superpowers. You ready? Okay. Right. Hang on. What should I do? Look into the screen. This is a cult following on YouTube. Yes, I am manipulating your mind. Everybody in the chat, stare into the screen. Everybody give me a super chat. Because if you don't give me a super chat, your stocks will go to zero tomorrow. If you give me a super chat, your money will go up and up and up and you'll become rich. This is the secret to becoming rich. You must look into the screen. You must give me a super chat. If you give me a super chat now, you'll be rewarded. And tomorrow, your stocks will go up and you will make lots of money. Because that's the power of the super chat. Are you ready to super chat? Are you on the edge and thinking, should I super chat? Yes, you should super chat. Why should you super chat? What is the reason why you should super chat? The reason is why you should super chat. Because the little fella said so. That's why the little fella said, do it. Do you feel better now? Do you feel overwhelmed with love and excitement? Yes. Tomorrow you'll be rich. All your stocks will come and you'll be rich. You'll make loads of money tomorrow. Because you have joined a cult, but you don't mind that you've joined a cult. It makes you feel good, and you are happy, and you are loving it. Welcome to the cult of making money. Look into the screen. Pay me super chats. Stop that. Enough of that nonsense. Bloody hell. Oh, there you go. To be fair, what we got here? What we got? What's going on here? Why is it not playing this? Why is it not playing on the screen? Sensei said that earlier. There's obviously some sort of issue here. Well, let me refresh the screen. Let me look here a minute. It should be coming up. You have these issues sometimes. Yeah, super chats isn't working. Oh my God. Look at this. How many people did it? I must be into the screen. I must look into the screen. I must look into the screen. I must look into the screen. I wish it would work. Why wouldn't it come up? Let me fix this a minute. Why isn't it doing it? Why isn't super chats working? Let me have a look. Events, tests, YouTube, super chat. There you go.
Kevin donated $15 through a super chat. This is a test super chat message.
See, it should be working. I want it to read it out. It's funny when it reads it out. That was from yesterday.
Zach Zeit donated $2 through a super chat. Sensei, for covering SP's every cash in the attic.
Yeah. Any more for the boat? Mike ban early. People think hedge funds are trying to keep Lucy down. Another stock that has become a meme. It's because its market cap is 15 million, less than a hedge fund pays for pencils. Oh my gosh, easy boy. Yes, we can look at it, we can review it, but yeah, I can't believe this. That was funny. Yes, master. No need to remove me. I'm leaving myself. Just get rid of everyone. You're removing yourself. I'm such a trance that I can't stop laughing. He's gone also. Damn mind. So stop it, Martin. I can't control myself. Watch, all our stocks will boom tomorrow now. Yeah, you do realise if it does, it's because of me. So then you got to give me more super chats, right? He just made more than my AMC position. I have great urge to super chat 1,000, but it won't let me. Super secret super chats cannot be talked about. No, it cannot. 500 twice. Yeah, it's right. Yeah, exactly. Right. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. I want to super chat $1,000. 'Cause if I do, tomorrow I'll be rich. The stocks will go up because I super chatted $1,000, but YouTube will not let me do it. What can I do? Don't worry, the power of the super chat will save you. If you look below the super chat button, there is a $500 super chat. Serious. You can do it twice. Then you can super chat $1,000. If you hang on, I can make this better than this. I could do it better than this. I can. I could do it. Oh, hello. How about then? If you super chat two $500 super chats, that will make $1,000 of super chats. And if you super chat $1,000 of super chats, you will get a very special gift. Yes, if you super chat $1,000, you'll get this. And maybe this. And maybe this. And you'll even get a drum. It's got to be worth it. All of that will be yours if you super chat $1,000. All of it. Not just some of it, all of it. It's got to be a good deal, isn't it? Turn on the lights. I can't do it anymore. I'm being entranced myself. I've got to stop trancing myself. In a minute, I'm going to end up trancing myself. And I don't want to get tranced because if I won't be able to get out of the studio, I'll be stuck in here forever. So no more trancing. Are you DTF? Who's that? Who's DTF? Move on, Nee. Just because you're a member doesn't give you the right to be rude. Yeah, don't be rude. Don't be rude. Please find another outlet for your rage. I wasn't even talking to you. Oh, hello. Keep it appropriate. I know what the meaning is. Oh, I don't. See, Mike's smarter than me. I don't even know what's going on. I'm assuming everyone's being nice. I always do. Don't look into the eyes. Yeah, don't look into the eyes, whatever you do. Martin's crystal ball. Yes. Don't blink, Martin. Hang on, what's this? Look at this. 2,000 super chat. A 2,000. What is that? Look at that. Could anyone tell me what that is? I don't know what's that? What is that? Korea. What's the currency of Korea? I don't even, what's 2,000? Hang on a minute. Currency of Korea. It's the South Korean won. Right. Here we go. Korean won. Here we go. So, 2,000. I think it's $2. Yeah, it's $1.46. It's $1.46. For a minute, I thought I got $2,000. Damn it. I thought it was $2,000. There it is, look. That's what it is. Now I know. A South Korean won is 2,000 South Korean won is $1.46. I thought for a minute, flipping heck, I can't believe this. Can't believe this. Best job in the world. Best job in the world, this. I'm doing this again. Every day from now on, there's going to be cult-like followings, right? I hope it's $1,000. I hope it's $1,000. Yeah, it'd be good, wouldn't it? A few bucks. Sensei, don't knock it. Don't poo-poo it, mate. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm fine with that. No, it's not $20. It's $1.46. I've just checked it. That counts. It does count. It does count. $1. Sorry. Don't apologize. Don't apologize, mate. Don't apologize. It's very good. Sonny, by the way, Sensei, this is our new member. He's called Sonny from Korea. Here he is, South Korea. He said he had big money. He did say that. He did say that. You're right. He did say that. You're right. He did say that. Can you Michael Jackson moonwalk out? Yes, I can. Do you want to see this? I'm not going to do it now, right? But look, here's me. Here's me. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Here's me. See all. Scroll down. All for Cornwall. I played the All for Cornwall once. All for Cornwall. All for Cornwall. All for Cornwall. Bear with me. All for Cornwall. Here we go. This is me as Michael Jackson. I kid you not. There you go. There is me when I used to do Michael Jackson. So not only can I sing like him, I can do the moonwalk, the spins, the lot. There you go. There's me. Look. See that? That's me. Oh, yeah. Hanging from a crane. I even hung from a crane. It's quite funny that. The theatre went mental when I did that. They went mental. They were not very happy when I hung off the crane. They didn't like that. They said, don't do that again. I said, doesn't matter now, does it? I've done it. Show's finished. Well, that's not the attitude, is it? I said, well, it is because the show's finished. Doesn't matter now. Well, don't do it again. Well, I wasn't planning on coming round tomorrow hanging off a crane. Well, don't do it again. That's all right. Don't worry. The show's over. Hearing Velo 3D will pump next week, Dan. Thank you. It's still a gift. Yes. Yes. If you get poo-poo, don't do it. Poo-pooed. Yeah, poo-poo. Wow, Brian. Yes, just beat it. I'm in the market. Just beat it. Absolutely. Just beat the market. You're absolutely right. Right, folks, I'm bored of you now. I've had enough of this. I've got to go. I've got a life to lead. I've got to be honest. This was much better. This was a much better closing bell. The opening bell was full of like idiots talking about GameStop. Stupid people like that. I'm so happy today. We've ended up having a proper closing bell. We've not had a proper closing bell since Friday night. So I'm really happy we've had a proper closing bell. So just for the hell of it, there you go. I'm going to ring the bell twice. I never ring the bell twice. That's a special treat for you. Special treat. I've rung it twice. Happy we cheered you up. I'm really happy now. I might go to the studio and sing a song. How many people, I tell you what, how many people want me to go into the studio now and do a special extra little 15-minute concert. And we'll do The Sun Always Shines on TV. I don't think we got enough people, actually. We've only got 24 left. I think most people have stopped. Let me end this a minute. Let me end my manipulation poll. Do it. How many want it? How many want it? How many want it? Okay, start a poll. How do you want? Who was it who wanted Dire Straits? Do you want a mini concert now? Yeah, a 15-minute mini concert. Yes, no. And I'll do The Sun Always Shines on TV, and I will do what was the other one? Dire Straits. I need to get my charger. Hang on a minute. Before you do it, I need my charger. My bloody phone's going flat. This wasn't supposed to go on all day. I need my charger. Go and get your charger then. Don't stress me out with your charger. I've got to worry about doing the show. Don't stress me out about the charger. How many votes? I need everybody. 11 votes. 100%. Do it. FK, FK it. Let's go. Just Jake, please do it. We just want to get out of this nonsense. Yes, Sultan to swing. That wasn't requested. What was it? What was requested? What was requested? Don't start adding songs on. Don't start nicking free songs. It'll be look into my eyes. If you start messing me about, trying to take advantage, I'm going to be making sure you give me super chats. Give me super chat. All that. And you know how powerful that is. You know how powerful that is. Right. Money for nothing it was. Sultan to swing. Don't try and steal free songs. Look. Dire Straits, money for nothing. Dire Straits, money for nothing. And The Sun Always Shines. That's it. That's it. You're not getting 20 songs. That's it. 2 free songs. Don't come on here taking advantage. Right. Money for nothing. No advantage taken. All right, let's do it. Bugger it. Here we go. Okay, votes in. How many people have voted? 14 votes. Right. 100%. End the poll. Boom. Get in. Here we go. Right. Duplicate. Yes. Duplicate. June the 3rd. 5 o'clock. Right. Here we go. I'm too nice for you. Do you realise I'm too nice? Do you know I'm too nice? I hope you appreciate this. Because, I just hope you do. I hope I get remembered in the next life. You all come back and go, we appreciated you, Martyn, right? In the next life. Not this life. This life's all right. I'm worried about the next one, right? That's the one I need the support on, right? Not this one. This one's fine. Right, June the 3rd, 5 p.m. Next. I'm creating an event. I can't believe I'm doing this. Why am I doing this? I got better things to do in my life. Here we go. Create, switch account. Martyn Lucas. Yeah, that's it. Right, here we go. Done. Finished. In the bank. In the can. Done. Go over here. Content. Live. Goes live in 5 minutes. Not messing around here. June the 3rd. That's today. Right. Okay, here we go. I've got to add that. I've got to turn the ad revenue off. Because there's no point putting it on anyway. Because it's all copyrighted anyway. So I'm like that. Turn that off. See how nice I am? I'm already doing stuff nice. I'm already doing stuff nice. Doing too much nice stuff. I've got to start being more about self. Me. Right? Stop being nice. That's what my mum says. Stop being so nice. You get abused. You get taken advantage of. I'm always too nice. Right. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we're nearly there. Have patience, people. Have patience. I know you're excited. I know you can't believe it. You're thinking, oh my God, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Yeah, I understand. It's exciting. Just got to be patient. Right, here we go. I hear lots of banging outside. I hear thunder, clapping, crashing. I hear all sorts. Live chat, subscribers. Yeah. Ad revenue off because I'm too nice. I'm not really. There's just no point putting it on there. Right, okay. Nearly ready. We're going to go straight into it. 2 songs, that's it. Don't come and take advantage. All right? I'm giving you a mini concert here for free. Okay? Too nice. Okay, here we go. Oh, hello. Oh, thanks. Oh, thanks, babe. You got to be in everything. I'm too nice, aren't I? Too nice. See? Even Leah's agreeing. She's going, yeah. She's sick of it. I can't tell you. Do you know how loud it is in the house? It's very loud. My wife has to pay the price for your enjoyment. She has to pay the price for it. Yeah, you think you pay the price. You don't pay the price. She pays the price. Right, here we go. Okay, here we go. Switch account. Back to there. We're going to end the show. I'm going to go straight into it. I'm not messing around. It's going to be like a straight into it. You know, like normally there's a break. There's no break. This is straight into it. You're going to like this. Okay, so I'm going to switch the show. Edit. Customization. Redirect. All right, here we go. Press this button here. Live concert, January the 3rd, 5 p.m. Right, live right now. Okay, there it is. That's set. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I'm going to give everyone the link. So here's the show. It will go straight there automatically. But there is the show. There is the show. Pin message to the top. I'll give it everybody on Rumble because they're going, we want to watch. There you go. There is the show. Everybody. People are Martin. You should hypnotize the apes back to reality. There's no saving them, mate. There's no saving Botzilla. There's no saving those people. They just want to jump off a cliff. You let them do it. Let them do it. It'll provide a cushion for the rest of us when we all crash. Right? Don't worry about it. People want to commit financial suicide. Let them do it. There's no saving some people. Right. Everyone's got the link. People are already coming in. People are already chatting. People are already there. So that's it. Let's pump out the smoke. Smoke is on. Turn on the... Oops. I just nearly broke it. Don't worry about that. Piano. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to end the extra channel for copyright protection. Right. Let me end that. Right. I've just ended that. Let me do this. Let me put the big screen to the show. So we're going to go straight into it. Too nice. Remember what I said? I'm too nice. This is a demonstration of how nice I am. This is a demonstration. All right? Demonstration. That's what this is. Of how nice I can be. Right. Click notify. Yeah. Click like. Yeah. Put hi. Might as well. I always say I. I might as well, wouldn't I? Chat filter, all messages. Right, there's that. That's where there's going to be all the comments. Right, there's the show on the screen. Like that. Right. Let's get the smoke. Do that. Turn that off. Turn that off. Turn this up a little bit. Right. Turn that over there like that. Okay. There's that. Okay. Let's get the music ready. So we're doing 2 songs. Sun Always Shines on TV and Money for Nothing, isn't it? Is that what it is? Sun Always Shines on TV. So Sun Always Shines. There you go. There's that. Sun Always Shines on TV. We'll bring that up there. It's going to be good, this, folks. It's going to be good. It's going to be the best concert ever in the history of the world ever. Sun Always Shines on TV. You're not going to believe how good this is. It's going to surprise you. Touch me. How can it be? There you go. See? You're excited. I can see the excitement coming in. Right, let's bring that up there. The smoke's coming out. The thunder's coming. The house is going to blow up in a minute. That's all part of it. That's all part of the entertainment. Right, we've got people ready to go. Live chat. Don't get used to this. This isn't going to become a thing. You know, this isn't going to become a regular thing. Don't get used to it. Okay, the sun always shines on TV. There you go. Right. I think I'm done. I think we're set. The smoke is good. Take my tie off. I've got my beer. There you go. Leah's brought the beer in. That's sorted that out. Okay. That's enough smoke. We don't want to set fire to the place. Right. Okay. I think we're good. 8 people waiting. Better be more than that. They'll be hell up. I'm telling you that for nothing. They'll be hell up if that's it. If that's it, if I've done all this for 8 people, they'll be hell up. Right. You ready? Smoke on demand. Yeah. Okay. That's it from me. I'm going to end the show. Join me. 2 songs. Sun always shines. Money for nothing. Nothing else. Okay. Don't take advantage. That's it from me. I'll see you back in a minute. Ta-ra, everybody.